Billing and order management. Fast bill creation for dine-in, takeaway, and delivery orders. Menu management with photos and modifiers. Order splitting and combining. Bill printing and customer displays. Inventory management. Smart inventory management with stock updates. Raw material management and recipe costing. Purchase order creation. Minimum order quantity alerts. Reporting and analytics. 100+ downloadable reports on sales, inventory, staff performance, CRM, and more. Track sales trends, identify popular dishes, and optimize pricing. Additional features: CRM for customer relationships and loyalty programs, online ordering integration with platforms like Zomato and Swiggy, India, kitchen display system, table management and reservations, staff management with role-based permissions, multi-store management, 24/7 customer support, benefits, improved efficiency and reduced costs, increased sales and customer satisfaction, better inventory control, data-driven decision-making. Please visit our website, isanith sedu in